Welcome to the video guide of the FlashyScience Simple Harmonic Motion of a Pendulum experiment. The starting screen shows a pendulum made of a mass of 0.5 kilograms on a string, two alternative masses, a ruler, a timer, and a poster of different locations in the solar system. You can make the pendulum swing by clicking and dragging the mass to either side of the vertical position and then releasing it. The pendulum can be brought to rest again by clicking on the stop icon that has appeared in the top right of the screen. The length of the pendulum can be changed. First, click on the ruler and it will move so that the length of the pendulum string can be measured. Then click and hold on the pendulum mass. This will show a zoomed view of the mass and ruler with the distance shown in centimeters. Now drag the mass up or down, with your mouse button still pressed, to lengthen or shorten the pendulum. You'll have to judge which position on the screen to measure the length. Once you're happy with the length of your pendulum and have measured it, click on the ruler again to return it to the lab bench. You can change the value of the mass by clicking on the spare masses in one corner of the bench. This opens a zoomed view of 3 available pendulum masses. Just click on whichever you'd like to use and it will appear on the pendulum string. The pendulum is immediately ready to use again. I'm going to set the pendulum swinging once more. The timer can be used to measure how long the pendulum takes to swing back and forth, known as the period of oscillation. Start the timer by clicking on the top button, and then click it again to stop the timer and record the time elapsed. Of course, you might like to time more than one pendulum oscillation for improved accuracy. Press the button again to reset the timer to 0. I'm going to start the timer running again. The speed switch on the side of the timer allows you to move to slow motion timing. Click on this and you'll see the pendulum motion and the timer slow down. This can be very useful to obtain accurate measurements when the pendulum is moving quickly. Click on the switch again to return to normal time. I'll now stop and reset the timer once more. The poster on the lab wall shows the Earth, the Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, and the Sun. We start on Earth, and this is currently highlighted on the poster, but you can explore the effects of different gravitational strengths around the solar system by traveling to the locations shown, just by clicking on them. Stop the pendulum and then click on any of the solar system objects on the poster. Your selected location will become highlighted and the strength of gravity change to that of your chosen location, which will affect how the pendulum then moves. Perhaps you can explore this change in one of your experiments. The experiment has additional functionality that you can access via this icon in the top left of the screen. This opens a menu with 4 more icons. The first icon simply closes the menu again. The second icon returns you to the experiment when you're on a questions screen. We'll come to those shortly. The third is the Click Information icon. Selecting this will highlight all the areas of the screen that can be clicked to control the experiment. The fourth icon opens a set of revision questions on simple harmonic motion. All questions are answered automatically and many contain randomly generated numbers, so you can retake them as many times as you like for practice. We hope you enjoy using this FlashyScience experiment.